We are live. Okay, so this is a little more taxing on my computer because I'm doing all the encoding via software. But this is what keeps the stream healthy. So, gotta do what we gotta do. Let's see here. Alright, so we are back and we're gonna go ahead and go to level 9. Let's just get straight to it. If you're new to the stream, essentially what I'm doing is I am studying for my CompTIA A+ tests. So it's something I've been procrastinating for ages, and now I'm finally doing it more actively. So if you want to study as well for this, you can definitely get this app on the Android Play Store. You could get it in the description. There's a link there. I am using an application, a Chrome app actually, that it's called Visor, to share my Android screen right there, and I'm using OBS and I'm still trying to figure it out for the actual window capture. I always have some really bad streaming issues and I don't know why. My CPU is going crazy and then my stream health looks bad, but on OBS it's green and it looks like it's good. So, but like my drop frame percentage is terrible. I don't know. I don't think I'm ever gonna get this OBS stuff. Anyways, I said let's get to it, so let's get to it. Level 9, 48 questions. Alright, so internal users suspect repeated attempts to infect their system as reported to them by pop-up messages from their virus scanning software. According to the pop-up messages, the virus seems to be the same in every case. What is most likely the culprit? Okay. So a DDoS attack, that doesn't attack a piece of software, so that's not it. Your antivirus software has malfunction. If it's like a bad virus list, maybe. You have a caterpillar virus. Being completely honest, have no idea what that is. I don't even think that exists. Caterpillar virus? Server is acting as a carrier for a virus. Okay, you know what? Let's Google caterpillar virus. Totally spelled that wrong. I think I had to, yeah, we had to specify computer on here. Caterpillar. Oh. Oh yeah, I've seen this one before. It like chomps away at the whole screen, right? Yeah, I've seen this one before. Okay, but it's only for DOS. So obviously it's not that. So it's not these two. So it's either the antivirus software has a malfunction or a server is acting as a carrier for a virus. Affect system, pop-up messages. Okay, so since it's internal users and there's a lot of them, I'm going to go with the servers acting as a carrier. Yeah. There you go. That's the reason why. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm a little tired today. I'm a little tired. It was a hot day outside. Which of the following are advantages to using dial-up internet service? Well, probably cost a little bit because no one uses it anymore. And high security, not necessarily. High speed, absolutely not. Broad availability, it is available in those places. Yeah, see. Its security is really no different than that of broadband internet. Alright, blank is the fastest and most modern interface used as an expansion method for external peripherals such as mice, webcams, scanners, and printers. It is popular on laptops and desktops alike. USB, right? Everything uses USB. Boom. Alright, so customers trying to explain a problem with their system. Unfortunately, the customer has a thick accent that you are unable to understand their problem. What should you do? Okay, so someone's trying to explain an issue and they have a thick accent. What do you do? Ask that another technician be sent in your place. Apologize and find another user. Oh God! Who can help you translate. Call your supervisor. Just start working on the system and look for obvious errors. So if you ask another technician to be sent in your place, you don't even know if that other technician's really going to do anything. Apologize and find another user or manager who could help you translate. Yeah. Call your supervisor. I mean, your supervisor might not be able to do anything about it, so let's just go with apologize and find someone. Cool. Which partition is the one that contains the hardware specified files? Oh God, I'm sorry guys, I am really tired today. Which partition is the one that contains the hardware specific files needed to load Windows? System. By definition, a system partition is one that contains hardware-specific files needed to load Windows. Which of the following is an online site requiring Windows 8 or higher, where you can download apps, games, software, and so forth? The Windows Store. What does a DHCP server need to be configured with to operate properly? You know what? I might have gone to level 9 before. Or maybe I just studied this question before. Because I remember something about this. This needs a scope. Every DHCP server needs to have a scope, which is a range of addresses available to clients, as well as other options I could give to client computers. So a scope being like what all IP addresses are in there, kind of like a subnet mask. Server is your network. A server in your network has a program running on it that bypasses authentication. Oh, which type of attack has occurred? So a server in your network, okay, has a program that's running on it, okay, that bypasses authentication. That'd be a backdoor, right? Because it's not a distributed denial of service. It's not a denial of service. There's not an actual person trying to get in, so it's a backdoor. A backdoor attack, a program or service is placed on a server to bypass normal security procedures. NSA, what's up? What is the fastest data transfer speeds currently supported by NFC? Man, it's one of them little ones, you know, where you gotta know the little bits of information. I know it's the fastest data transfer. I mean, NFC doesn't even need that much speed, right? We'll go with 212. No? Okay. It's actually double that. So, There are 3 speeds that are supported by NFC. 106, 212. Hey! Oh, which is the fastest one? So it's halfway, right? Okay, so 106 is the slowest, 424 is the highest, 212. Okay. So 106 and then it just doubles all the way up to 424. Got it. Of all the network cabling options, Blink offers the longest possible segment length. Fiber optic, always, is the best. It runs in the oceans. What is contrast ratio? It's like the darkest and the brightest. Oh, there we go. The ratio of luminance between the darkest and the lightest colors that can be displayed. Boom. You're running an 802.11g wireless router in mixed mode. You have 3 802.11g wireless NICs using the router, and your user connects using 802.11b wireless NIC. What will happen? Okay, so your router's an 802.11g that's running in mixed mode, and then you have 3 wireless NICs that are using the router, and they're all running off a G, and then someone runs off a B. Okay, so if it's mixed, it'll always go down to like the slowest one. So man, this stream, dude, why? Like, I wish it would tell me why on YouTube side it's supposedly the stream health is bad. Makes no sense, because everything on my side looks good. And I'm pretty sure it's like in every video, I'm always complaining about how supposedly my stream is not doing good. Why? Like, okay. So stream health says bad, but I actually have it pulled up on another window. It looks perfectly fine. I guess some people have an issue with it. Makes no sense to me though. Alright. That is weird. Well, while I figure this out, take a look at this ad, because I have the power to just randomly place ads. Boom! Some people might see it, some people might not. Weird stuff, man. YouTube's changing. Alright, let's keep going. You're running... okay, so yeah. Oh my gosh! Alright, so what will happen? So what's gonna happen is it's gonna lower its speed, even though it supports 802.11g. If there's a device that's a B, it will automatically essentially dumb itself down to the B. So the user with B will access the network at 11. No, all of them will go down. 802.11b will not be able to communicate in the network. Nope. All users will access the network at 11 megabits per second. I don't remember all the speeds of the wireless ones. I need to memorize those too, but that one seems most probable. And the user with 802.11b will access the network at 11 megabits per second. The users with G will access at 54. So this is giving me context clues. I'm assuming 802.11g runs at 54, 802.11b runs off of 11. So if that's the case, all of them are running off of 11, because it goes down. Remember that. That's key. Which of the following tools can you use to delete temporary internet files and other unneeded files to free up disk space? Just cleanup. Use that a lot. What devices transfer packets across multiple networks and use tables to store network addresses to determine the best destination? Okay, so key here is across multiple networks. So I'd say a switch. Damn it. It was between those two, and of course I get it wrong. So routers are designed to route packets across networks. They're able to do this routing, determining. So what the hell does a switch do, right? I mean, it goes through networks too. You support an old dot matrix printer at work. When the printer prints, there's always a blank horizontal line in the middle of each line of output. What is the most likely cause of this? So a dot matrix printer. It's the one that does the little taps on it. Dude, I don't even know if I get through level 9. I am exhausted. The print head needs to be replaced. The wrong printer driver is installed. No. The print ribbon is not advancing properly. Maybe. The print ribbon is old and needs to be replaced. Okay, so it's not a print head because it's not an inkjet. So when the printer prints, there's always a blank horizontal line in the middle. Okay, so if it's blank, I think it's out of alignment, so it would be like the print ribbon. Yeah. There's a consistent blank space. It might likely means that the pin is not firing properly and the print head needs to be replaced. What? If the ribbon were not advancing properly, you would get light and dark printing. Dude. Alright. You promised the customer that you would be out to service their problem before the end of the day, but have been tied up at another site. As it now becomes apparent that you will not be able to make it, what should you do? Tell them I'm tired. I'm out of here. Okay, so you told them that you're gonna be out there before the end of the day, but have been tied up at another place. Just call them, dude. Call the customer and inform them. Yeah. There you go. I mean, straightforward. Just be honest. Which of the following wireless communication methods has the shortest operational range? If it's not apparent, I am exhausted. I'm gonna be complaining about this the whole freaking time. Alright. Has the shortest operational range. Okay. NFC, right? Yeah. There you go. 10 centimeters. Just like... Which of the following is a common feature of a standard thick client? Has a high-performance hard drive? Nah. Has a smudge RAM? Nah. Not important. Has enhanced video? Not important. Can run full versions of Windows? Yeah. It's a necessity. Where is a Windows memory diagnostics utility found in Windows Vista? Beneath okay, so Windows memory diagnostics utility. I know it has one, so it's not that last one. In the system folder, beneath accessories, beneath administrative tools, in the accessories folder. I'm gonna say beneath administrative tools. Yeah. So in Windows Vista, beneath administrative tools. Which of the following editions of Windows Vista can be upgraded to Windows 7 Professional? Which of the following editions of Windows Vista can be we had this one before. Ultimate. What? Oh, I thought it was that one with 2 of it. Which one was I thinking of? So it's It's business. Alright. Which of the following is not a requirement for installing iTunes on a Windows machine? Not a requirement for installing iTunes on a Windows machine. You do need an internet connection to download it. Dude, this is very specific. I don't think you need that much RAM. I'll go with that one. Yeah. It could go with half a gig of RAM. Unless you want to play high definition videos. What two devices are commonly used to cool components within a PC? Choose two of them. Obvious one. Fans. It's not Freon. We're not running AC here. Compressed air, we'll use that to clean out a system. Heat sinks would be the next one. Put those on CPUs. They dissipate heat. What is the correct order of the steps in the EP print process? Alright. First it has to charge up. Right? Or wait, it processes it first probably. Processing. Yeah, it processes it, processes the image, charges it up, exposes the drum, develops, transfers it onto a paper, fuses it, and then cleans itself. There you go. Most smartphone Bluetooth accessories have a communication range of about how far? 10 meters. Yep. There you go. What's up, viewer? How you doing today? I'm pretty tired. Not gonna lie, I'm trying to get through this level here. Thanks for watching, keeping me awake. Which of the following allows you to perform the most complete restart of the computer without removing power? The most complete restart. So, like, what the heck is an incomplete restart? If you're restarting it, it's gonna restart, no? Oh, okay, I get it. Maybe like hibernation. Okay. The reset button would be unsafe, but it would be pretty complete. Start, restart, power button. Okay, so which of the following allows you to perform the most complete restart of the computer without removing power? So the power button and the reset button would remove power to it temporarily to restart it. So start, restart. Oh, damn it. Okay, so the reset button causes the computer to return to nearly the same point it is in when you power it on, but without the need for power cycling. Using restart in the start menu does not reboot as deeply as a reset button. The wording on this. Alright, so when you print documents on your laser printer, you see residue from previous images on the output. What two things are most likely causes of the problem? So it's a laser printer, and you see ghosting of other images on when you're printing out. So, broken cleaning blade. No, because then you see smears. Overheating printer. No. A faulty transfer corona wire, probably. A bad erasure lamp. It's a corona wire. Residue? Okay, well I guess it's the cleaning blade too. What the heck is a erasure lamp? It's likely a phenomenon. So it is called ghosting. It's mostly like they do to a bad erasure lamp or a broken cleaning blade. The heck is that? Did they spell eraser wrong? Erasure lamp. Erasure. Hey, maybe it's a thing. Laser printer. I'm just ignorant. I'm just reading the little descriptions underneath each one of them. Dude, I guess it's a thing. Alright. Which two communication technologies can you use to create a VPN connection? Which two communication technologies? Wi-Fi? Cellular? Oh. Okay. Weird. Which record type on a DNS server represents an IPv6 host? I know this. I want to say 4A. Yeah. Quad A record is used to represent IPv6 host. IPv4 is A record. The CNAME record is used if one host has alias. Yep. And MX is for mail exchange. Of course! Previous versions of Windows included Windows Explorer. What is this utility called in Windows 8? File Explorer. Not Magellan, not that, not Navigator. File Explorer. Which step in the laser printing process occurs immediately after exposure? So after you expose the drum, then you transfer it. The correct order is process, charge, expose, develop. Ah, okay. So you expose, lasers exposed to the drum, develop, you're doing the whole ink or toner stuff and then transfer. Okay. Got it. Maybe. I'm tired, man. The display on your laptop appears warped and fuzzy. You plug in an external monitor and the image on it is fine. What is the most likely cause of this problem? What? Have you tried turning it off and on again? Oh. I'm probably not gonna read, guys. I'm tired. Dude, your LCD is messed up. Just replace it. Which feature allows you to use free space on an SD card to speed up a system? Ready Boost. Which of the following most accurately describes how to obtain a firmware upgrade for your laser printer? Download the firmware upgrade for free from the manufacturer's website. Yep. It's free. Contact the manufacturer of the printer and they will send you the firmware. You know, they do that if you really need it, but I know it's download. Which tool is used by technicians to connect a RJ45 connector to the end of a cable? That is a crimper for that Ethernet cable game. What operating system features offers the ability for a single application to have multiple requests into the processor at one time? Multi-threading. That Intel game. What is the default TCP port for SMTP? I know this. I know this. Um, dude, for some reason I want to go with 25, but I know it's not it. I know it's not it. So it has to be 110. Damn it! Oh, trust! SMTP sends Mel to port 25. What the hell was I thinking? I was thinking that 25 was like DNS or something, but I know for sure it's not. What? DNS port 53. Man, totally off. Okay, so SMTP port 25. POP3 uses 110. IMAP uses 143. Okay. Alright. Which of the following is not controlled by the North Bridge? North. Oh, cache memory. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm completely exhausted. I'm getting all this stuff wrong because I just don't care. I kinda just want to get through it. Oh man. I don't know why. Does it control local bus? Man, I'm not gonna lie, this stream is a bust. Kinda just wanna like stop it and then delete it. And then do it right another day. Yeah, this is pathetic. I really am tired. I'm like freaking exhausted. I just want to chug down like a gallon of water and just pass out. That's what I'm gonna do. Sorry guys, I couldn't finish this up. I'm just tired. So I'll leave this up so you can see how pathetic I am. And I'm just gonna level this as a level 9 fail. And then the next one I'll probably label like level 9 for real. Alright, I'm out, man. I gotta go get me some water and then just pass out. If you joined, thanks guys. If y'all are interested in this app, it's in the description. Check it out. I will talk to you next time.